Hi, welcome back to our channel. This video is about how to use Zazzle for beginners. In this video, we're going to show you everything about Zazzle, including what is Zazzle, how to create an account on Zazzle, how to design your own product on Zazzle, and how to place an order. So make sure to watch this video till the end to better understand the complete process. Now let's begin. Zazzle is an on-demand marketplace that allows users to upload images and create their own merchandise or buy merchandise created by other users as well as use images from participating companies. Zazzle has items for almost all categories like weddings, school stationery, school fashion, drinkware, crafts and party supplies, accessories, outdoor home, and lastly, photo gifts. Zazzle is associated with many popular brands like Disney, Marvel, Universal, DC, Harry Potter, Looney Tunes, Collegiate Gifts, Star Wars, Sesame Street, Peanuts, Dr. Seuss, and Getty Images. Before creating your own design on Zazzle and selling it for profit, you need an account on Zazzle. For this, click on the Sign In button on the top right corner. A pop-up window will open. Enter your email ID here, create a password, tick the box if you want promotional emails from Zazzle, and then click on the Create New Account button. Now here, enter your first name and last name and then click on the OK button. On the top right corner, click on your profile icon and you will see many options like My Account, My Orders, Saved Designs, My Images, Likes, Collections, Address Book, Followed Creators, Get $25, and lastly the Sign Out button. In the left sidebar, you will see many tabs like Gifts, Trending, Sell, My Stuff, Live, Explore and Create. Click on the Create tab. You can start creating your design by using a template or you can start from scratch. Here you can see sections like blank products, text elements, illustrations, backgrounds, social media templates, and Zoom backgrounds. We are continuing with blank products. Click on the View All button. Here you can see all the personalized custom gifts in different departments like home, sports and games, clothing and accessories, invitations and stationery, art crafts and party supplies, office and school, electronics, baby and kids, and weddings. All the departments have many subcategories as well. You can start with products from any category, but the process of designing and placing orders will be the same for all of them. Here we are continuing with T-shirt under the clothing and accessories department. Now under the T-shirt section, you need to select a category from these which are men's T-shirt, women's T-shirts, kids T-shirt, baby T-shirts and toddler T-shirts. We are continuing with women's T-shirt. From the left sidebar, you can use the price and color filters. Here you will see the different designs under the women's T-shirt category. Below the thumbnail, you can see its available colors, its name and its price. Click on your choice and you will be taken to the product description page. On the top right corner, you can see the product's rating. Here is the price of the product. Select your product size from this drop-down menu. For more details about size, click on the Size Chart button. Select the product style from here. Next is the Color and Print Process section. Below the product's image, you can see different images and videos of the product. Scroll down and you will see the About This Product section, which includes the design details, fabric details, size details, and washing instructions. Scroll more and you will see the different photos of the product that are uploaded by different buyers. Here is the Review section. You can see ratings and reviews by other buyers. Scroll down to see all the reviews. Now, if you're satisfied with all the product details and reviews, and you want to continue creating your own design with this product, click on the Add Image button. You will be taken to the product design page. Here on the left side, you can see different tabs like Text, Elements, Icons, My Files, Product, Layers, and Help. Let's add an image. Under the My Files tab, click on the Upload Images button. After selecting an image from your browser, your image will appear here, and you can also see the product's preview in the bottom right corner. You can drag the image to any position where you want to place it on the product. From the right sidebar, you can use these editing tools to customize the uploaded image. There are options like filters, crop, scale, rotate, and flip. You can add as many elements as per the free space available. Let's try adding some icons. Click on the Icons tab in the left sidebar. Here you can see different categories like animals, borders, cats, dogs, flowers, food, emojis, occupations, ornaments, sports, vehicles, and wedding. Click on any one and then double click on the image to add it to your design. Drag it to the position where you want to place it on the product. Use the right sidebar to change its color, to apply filters, and use other editing tools. You can also add shapes to your design. For this, click on the Elements tab and then double click on the shape to add it to your product. Drag it to the desired position and use the right sidebar tools according to your preferences. Now let's try adding some text to this design. Click on the Text tab on the top of the left sidebar and then click on the Add Text button. Here, enter the text in the box and then click on the OK button. Your text will be added to the design. Drag it to your desired position on the product. Use the right sidebar to change its color, font, size, alignment, etc. And once you're satisfied, click on the Done button on the top right corner. Now you can see that your design has been added to the product on the description page. Select the quantity from this drop-down and then click on the Add to Cart button and you will be taken to the cart checkout page. Verify all the details about the product and your design, and if you have a promo code or gift card, enter it here and then click on Apply. From here, select your preferred payment method and then click on the Proceed to Checkout button. Now you need to add a shipping address, fill in all the required fields here, and then click on the Continue button. You will be taken to the Payment Gateway page where you need to make the payment. And after successfully completing the payment, your Zazzle product order will be placed and you will receive an email with the shipping and tracking details. And thus we have completed our tutorial on how to create an account on Zazzle, how to design your own product on Zazzle, and how to place your order. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope you liked it. If you have any suggestions or you want us to make a video on a specific topic, feel free to comment below. And for more such videos, make sure to stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.